Good day, everyone. Get ready for an unforgettable culinary journey. Today, we're coming to you from the Republic of Nauru, a hidden gem in the Pacific. This is a tiny island with a huge heart, a vibrant culture, and even bigger flavors just waiting to be discovered. We're about to embark on a delicious exploration you won't soon forget. We're here to dive headfirst into Nauru's bustling street food scene, a place where culinary traditions come alive. It's a hidden gem, a treasure trove of unique tastes and aromas, bursting with both creativity and deep-rooted tradition. Prepare your taste buds. We'll explore the vibrant local markets, the heart of Nauruan cuisine, and we'll venture to the charming roadside stalls, each offering a unique glimpse into the island's culinary soul. We're on a mission, searching high and low for the very best bites this incredible island has to offer. Get ready for a feast. Nauru's food is a captivating blend of classic Pacific Island staples, passed down through generations, and exciting global influences that have shaped its unique character. Think incredibly fresh seafood, straight from the ocean to your plate. Imagine juicy, sun-ripened tropical fruits bursting with flavor, and prepare yourself for inventive twists, surprising combinations, and culinary creations you won't find anywhere else. Street food here is so much more than just a meal. It's an experience. It's a vibrant community event, a social gathering where stories are shared, laughter fills the air, and treasured family recipes are passed down from one generation to the next. We're your enthusiastic guides on this delicious journey of discovery. We're here to show you exactly what the locals are craving and eating right now, the dishes that define Nauruan street food. Forget those fancy, overpriced restaurants. This adventure is all about real, authentic food, prepared with passion and love by real people who pour their hearts into every dish. The air is alive and buzzing with the tantalizing smell of charcoal grills, infusing every corner with smoky goodness. And the irresistible sound of sizzling pans, a symphony of culinary creation, fills the air, promising deliciousness with every crackle. Street food in Nauru isn't just about satisfying your hunger, it's how people connect with each other. It's a way to unwind after a long day, share a laugh with friends, and celebrate the simple joys of life. We're incredibly excited to meet the talented cooks, the culinary artists behind these amazing dishes. We'll get a peek behind the scenes, learn their time-tested secrets, and discover the techniques that make Nauruan street food so special. And of course, we'll taste an array of unique dishes, exotic flavors, and innovative presentations that you've most likely never seen or tasted before. So, ready to get hungry? Because we definitely are. Let's kick off our epic Nauruan food adventure and dive into the deliciousness that awaits. Nauru's culinary landscape is as unique as the island itself, a blend of cultures and flavors waiting to be discovered. But navigating a new food scene can be daunting. I can't do this alone. I need a local expert, someone who knows the ins and outs, the hidden gems, and the stories behind each dish. Serendipitously, I found just the right person. Meet Hamish, an Aussie who came for a visit, drawn by the island's charm and laid-back lifestyle. Little did he know, his taste buds were about to embark on an unforgettable journey. And well, he never left, thanks to Nauru's irresistible food. He's become a true connoisseur of the local cuisine, exploring every nook and cranny of the island's food scene. Hamish, g'day! Welcome to my adopted home. This island's food scene is a hidden gem, a treasure trove of flavors waiting to be unearthed. I've made it my mission to try everything, from the most popular dishes to the most obscure delicacies, and I'm excited to show you my favorites. Get ready for a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. So Hamish, what's the secret behind Nauruan street food? What makes it so special and unique? Hamish, it's all about fresh ingredients, the kind you just can't find anywhere else. Fish caught this morning, glistening in the sun, coconuts picked yesterday, still dripping with island dew, and the creativity of the cooks. They're not just preparing food, they're crafting edible masterpieces. They blend Pacific traditions, passed down through generations, with Asian and Western flavors, a testament to Nauru's diverse cultural influences, making something totally unique. It's a culinary melting pot that's both surprising and satisfying. Any tips for blending in? Any unwritten rules I should be aware of before diving in? Hamish, just bring a big smile and an appetite. That's the only requirement. Everyone's friendly and happy to share. The spirit of hospitality is alive and well here. Sounds perfect. No secret handshake, no complicated etiquette. Just good vibes and great food. That's the Nauruan way. Hamish, exactly. Be curious. Be hungry. Don't be afraid to try something new, and you'll have the best time. I guarantee it. Let's get started. Show me the real Nauru. Take me to your favorite spots, the places that only a local would know. Hamish, you're in for a treat. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of flavor. Let's eat. I can't wait to see what Nauru has to offer. Hamish, where's our first stop on this culinary adventure? I'm eager to dive into the local flavors and experience the authentic tastes of Nauru. I've heard whispers of incredible street food, and I'm ready to explore it all. I'm starving. All this talk about food has really worked up my appetite. I need something delicious, and I need it now. Welcome to the home of the Bois de Bombe, a local legend, a culinary masterpiece, invented by the one and only Auntie Eka. This is where the magic happens, where flavors collide and create something truly special. It's a handheld snack that's taken the island by storm, captivating locals and tourists alike. Everyone's talking about it, and now we're about to find out why. So, what's inside this legendary Bois de Bombe? What secrets does it hold? Let's take a closer look and uncover the delicious layers within. It starts with a sweet bread dough, lovingly made with creamy coconut milk, giving it a unique richness and subtle sweetness. Then it's generously filled with savory minced chicken, prepared with a blend of aromatic spices. The chicken is infused with the classic flavors of soy sauce, ginger, and garlic, creating a savory foundation that's both comforting and exciting. Fresh, vibrant veggies are added to the mix, providing a burst of color, texture, and essential nutrients. And now for the secret touch, crushed pineapple. This unexpected ingredient adds a delightful twist, a burst of tropical sweetness that elevates the entire dish. The dough is then carefully fried until it reaches a perfect golden hue, transforming into a crispy, irresistible treat. This frying process creates a delightful contrast, making it wonderfully crispy on the outside while remaining soft and pillowy on the inside. That sizzle is unreal. It's the sound of pure deliciousness being created right before our eyes. And the smell? Oh, the smell is absolutely mouth-watering. It's an intoxicating blend of sweet dough, savory chicken, and tropical pineapple. The pineapple gives it a sweet, tangy kick, a burst of sunshine that brightens up every bite, that balances the savory filling perfectly, creating a harmonious blend of flavors that dance on your palate. It's the perfect bite, a symphony of textures and tastes that will leave you wanting more. It's sweet, it's savory, it's crispy, and it's soft. A textural masterpiece in every mouthful. Here comes your Bois de Bombe, fresh from the fryer and ready to be devoured. Careful, it's hot. But trust me, the wait is worth it. This is next-level street food. This isn't just a snack, it's an experience. It's the taste of Nauru in one bite, a culinary ambassador representing the island's unique flavors and traditions. I can see why people line up for this. This isn't just food, it's a cultural phenomenon. Once you try it, you'll never forget it. The Bois de Bombe is more than just a snack. It's a memory in the making. Let's dig in. I can't wait to experience this legendary Bois de Bombe for myself. That Bois de Bombe was incredible. What's next? We're heading to Anibari Bay for the famous BBQ skewer. Fresh yellowfin tuna, marinated in a secret family recipe. The smell of the grill is amazing. What's in the marinade? Coconut cream for moisture, lime juice for zing, bird's eye chili for heat, and local herbs. The recipe's been passed down for generations. The skewers look juicy and smoky. The marinade was invented by a fisherman ancestor. Now it's a family specialty. Simple, fresh, and packed with flavor. That's the magic of Nauru. Fresh catch, family secrets, and a perfect beach view. This is island food at its best. Grab a skewer and enjoy. I could eat these all day. That's the spirit. After all that savory goodness, I'm ready for something sweet. Time for dessert. Yaran coconut crunch made by the legendary Mama Rose. What's in it? 2 types of coconut fresh for chewiness, toasted for crunch, mixed with pandan juice and caramelized cane sugar. It's a modern twist on a traditional treat. The smell of toasted coconut and caramel is heavenly. Mama Rose's recipe is a tribute to her grandmother with extra texture and flavor. It looks like a tropical granola bar, but way better. It's crunchy, chewy, sweet, and totally addictive. This is the ultimate island snack. Once you start, you can't stop. I'm officially hooked. Welcome to dessert paradise. I'm in a food coma, but I can't say no to one more dish. For our grand finale, the Iwu parcel. It's a mystery meal wrapped in banana leaf made by a local family. You never know what's inside until you open it. Exactly. The filling changes daily. Could be fish, chicken, root veggies, all mixed with rice and herbs. The banana leaf locks in all the flavor and moisture. It's like a delicious, lucky dip. The tradition started with their grandfather, using whatever was fresh that day. It's resourceful, sustainable, and full of surprises. It's the ultimate Nauruan comfort food. Every bite is a new discovery. That's what makes it special. This is the perfect way to end our tour. Couldn't agree more. The Iwu parcel was incredible, but what really stands out is the warmth of everyone we've met. That's Nauru. Food brings people together, and hospitality is at the heart of it all. Every cook we met was proud to share their creations and stories. When you eat here, you're not just a customer, you're a guest. The sense of community is everywhere, from the queues at food stalls to the laughter and conversation. Food is how Nauruans celebrate, connect, and show love. There's a real pride in their unique flavors and traditions. It's not just about eating, it's about belonging. Every meal feels like a celebration. That's the beauty of Nauruan street food. It's food with heart, shared with open arms, and that's why I never left. I can see why. Hamish, after all this, how would you sum up Nauruan street food? One word: joyful. It's honest, creative, and made to be shared. Every dish has a story and a personality. It's a reflection of the people, warm, inventive, and generous. Do you have a favorite? The Anibari Bay BBQ skewer. Fresh tuna, smoky grill, secret marinade. It's Nauru on a stick. That's a perfect choice. Eating one by the bay is pure happiness. Nauruan food is simple, perfect, and unforgettable. It's food that feels like home. I'll never forget it. That's our tour of Nauru's street food. Joyful, delicious, and full of surprises. We hope you're inspired to explore new flavors wherever you are. Be curious, try something new, and you might discover your next favorite dish. Food is the best way to connect with a place and its people. Thanks to everyone in Nauru for sharing their food and stories. Maybe one day you'll visit and try a bois de bombe yourself. You won't regret it. Until next time, stay hungry and keep exploring. See you on the next adventure. Goodbye from Nauru.